So this is the entrance in our home. You know, we redid this home several years ago. We worked with an amazing designer, Jake Arnold. You know, the entrance is one of the key, like, sort of amazing parts of this house. I mean, this amazing light fixture is from Lindsay Adelman, which we love. I think I love, I don't know about Jason.
I can't even look up that high.
Part of what Jake was doing when he designed this area is he really wanted it to feel like you were coming almost into a courtyard and sort of have the feeling that you were almost outside, which I think is cool. So, you know, we have this amazing like piece here. We always have something really beautiful, like large branches or something that really feels like you're almost like you're outside. And you can look up, like this is a giant room. It probably, how high do you think these ceilings are?
35 feet high ceilings.
Yeah, but it really makes for sort of like a spectacular entrance into the home. We also have, you know, beautiful artwork that we chose with Jake. I love this piece. I love the color. And, you know, we love this space also just because it's a big open space in the house, and, you know, our kids sometimes are here playing football, they're playing baseball in this space, and it makes it like a really special place.
When we first moved in, it was a very, very rainy winter. We moved in like at the end of December, January, 6 years ago. And it was one of the rainiest times I've ever seen in LA in 25 years. And you just couldn't go outside. We literally played football in here for like 2 weeks. The kids were little and literally running full routes in here. We were like throwing the ball up in the air real high. It was great. So for me, it was awesome.
So this is our living room that we actually spend a lot of time in. A lot of people don't spend time in their living rooms, but every time we have a lot of parties and get-togethers here, we actually gather in this room a lot. Love these lights. I think they really are the centerpiece of this room. Also, originally this house was very, I don't want to call it dated, but I guess it was dated. It was very like 70s, 80s-ish. And originally it had a very different fireplace. We replaced the fireplace with this beautiful viola marble, which I think also serves as a centerpiece for the room. This beautiful artwork we did, which I think is fantastic. And we originally had a piano in this space, which was kind of cool.
But nobody plays piano.
But I thought by buying a piano and putting it in here, one of our kids would actually learn and play piano, but instead no one did. So eventually it was Jason's idea. It was like, you know, we always gather in this room, we always have parties, you know, why not put a bar in here? That would be a really cool gathering spot. And we did this probably a year or two ago, and it's been amazing.
Yes,
like every party, everyone's hanging out around the bar, hanging out in this room. Also, this room has super high ceilings, also probably 30 to 35 feet ceilings, I think, which makes this room sort of also pretty spectacular.
So we like to have Friday night dinners with friends. Mostly in the winter times, it seems that we do it most often, and it's just a nice cozy place to hang out. I just have great memories of trying to figure out how to make drinks, like become my own sort of mixologist. Since I got the bar, I said, okay, every Friday night I'm gonna try and come up with like the drink of the week and be the actual bartender for it. So it's a lot of fun kind of doing that. It's my first foray into that. So that's been great. And yeah, it's one of my favorite places in the house.